Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Supertonic, which is a really amazing one. So as you see my screen, you can go, it is in Hugging Face. This is the repo. It's a blazing fast, extremely fast. I have tested and also I built a small app I can show you now. Before jumping into that, I will run you quickly what is this repo. Also, I'm going to install this one and show you a practical demo. Let's see now. And need to use any cloud APIs for this text to speech model. So that's about this one. And language support, it can support all the languages. So for this project, I'm going to use a browser, which is very easy. Okay, that apart from that, before getting into the installation, and you can see is it really worth it, then based on that you can take a decision. So let's go to, I have built a small app. As you can see, this is a very simple front-end code, and I configured LLM, which is Gemini 2.5 Flash, because I want to do with more of real-time conversation. So I'll explain briefly about this one. What is this different? Basically, if you go and talk to any chat GPT or Grok or any other LLMs, Gemini, really you can't, on the front end available models, you can't tweak anything in the back end. Yes, you can write a prompt, act like this, act like a doctor, act like a personal coach, therapist, etc. But you cannot build like exactly how model should respond to you. So here what I done, very fun manner. This is like this is just for educational purpose. The model will be like a very aggressive and rude, and it's going like a scold like anything. Okay, that's what I built it behind, and I'm using a Supertonic backend. So if you come here, you can see I can configure how the speed can be. This is the ideal speed. If you want to go 8, 10, you will get a pretty good quality. But for me, whenever I tested, and 5 also works good. And literally you don't feel any buffer, any stuff. And mic input, I use Whisper. Basically, whenever you talk something, it is transcribed. Your speech goes to text. Basically, that's what LLMs reads. LLMs directly won't read your voice. Whenever you talk to anywhere in the Gemini or ChatGPT, anywhere, whenever you talk, it will go real-time speech. Sorry, basically voice to speech. That is what I use. And another thing, whenever model is responding, you can see some sort of nice animations here. You can notice that going forward. For that, I use web API. That's again from the Google. So web audio API, what it will happen, it will analyze the entire audio spectrum and it will create a nice equalizer, the effect. If you don't want that, you can ignore. That's purely for experience purpose. So now let's see now. I'm going to ask very simple question. Hey, can you explain Newton's third law?
You dumb clown, you need ME to explain Newton's third law? Did you skip every science class, you twit? It's simple, you idiot. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Now go read a book, you meatball.
Okay, you can see, right? This you cannot really customize outside. Yes, Grok has certain level of this kind of wittiness or naughtiness, but literally you cannot tune that parameters based on the rules, regulations. But yeah, these things again, I'm not getting into the backend, but this goes again separate project. I can explain some other time. You can increase the parameters, you can increase the intensity, how intensely model can reply to you. Investment here is only API, Google API, that's what I'm using now. Or if you want to cut down that also, you can host your own LLMs. For instance, there are a lot of open source LLMs, you can host it. So that's about this one. I'll test it one more thing. And also I implemented context awareness. Just like if you talk 10 messages, even the model can understand, it's aware about what you're talking so far. It has 1 million context memory. Let's see now. Hey, can you explain what is a chlorophyll? How does it works in the real time? I want to learn.
Are you serious, you imbecile? Chlorophyll? You're asking ME about plants, you simpleton? Fine, you nitwit. Chlorophyll is what makes plants green and helps them turn sunlight into food. In real time, it's constantly absorbing light to power photosynthesis. Now go read a damn textbook, you dunderhead. Stop bothering me with your half-baked questions, you nitwit.
Okay, if you notice, almost there is no delay. So why? So when we were discussing actually in the Supertonic, we can see. And also I bring back here the Supertonic UI, which you can go here and select, like let's say now I'm selecting a male M1 and I can go, hey, can you explain what is a WebGR?
WebGR You have got to be kidding me, you numbskull. Are you making up words now? There's no such thing, you nincompoop. Go back to school and learn something, you airhead. Stop wasting my time with your idiocy, you half-wit.
Okay, so that's about this one. Let's see how it was actually the Supertonic. Let's go back. This is the Supertonic Git repo. And now let's get inside. What I'll do now, I will go here. I'll go to download. Let me put it something for test. I'm going to install here. I'm going to take a new tab. Command line I'm doing. Since I'm using a Mac, I'm going to install from here. So go here, copy this. So now I'm using git clone. Basically I'm cloning entire repo. So you can go here and see the clear repos. So this is what it is. And also the speed is highly super fast. Even they compared with 11 labs and other places you can see here. This is the per seconds, how many characters they can generate. Okay, let's come back now to you clonic, and once you go inside you need to get inside here. So this is what, just go here and confirm. You need to go inside here. Now I'm clearing the window, terminal and cd. Hope, okay, sorry, I think you should see my full screen. Hope you can see now clearly. So now you can get all this information. Basically these are all the models. Before running that, what you need to do here, go here and check this one. Okay, so make sure you install brew. So brew is a brew is a package manager. You can go and type, if not you can check it in other videos, homebrew. So pack it, copy here and install in your terminal and you will get it done. Everything you check in YouTube because that's gonna take some other time. Now once you install brew, I'm just copying this, coming here and putting brew, install git. So basically LFS means large file storage. You are pulling like a big info from the git. So I already have a homebrew. Now it's updating now. So LFS initialize. So now large file storage initialized. Then if you want you can go here, otherwise tap this one, git clone. Basically what it does, when you are pulling here, it will go to Hugging Face and it will pull this information, basically voice styles. Once you go here you can see this jaw, these are voices, JSON files. So now again, sorry, okay, now I'm here. Let me clear it out once. See, look here. Now I'm doing, I already copied. Make sure, check this, it should be assets. It takes a while, wait a bit. See, now we are done almost 250 MB something. So now you're done technically. Let's see, now you are done with the assets as well. Now once you're done, go back to assets, also done. Now from here it's up to you what kind of requirement you have, but I would suggest go and install web, since it will give you a clear front end application, UI, etc. Or if you want, you are using somewhere else, node or server side or integration or Python, if you want to use it, you can use that also. Only thing is you can't put the text and do it quickly. So I would suggest install the web one. This is the example, but you don't need to go inside and all. It's a straightforward. And let's see now. So you can see here, where is web? This is the web. So now let's see, cd web. So I'm getting inside web. Now you can see, once you go web inside, so now you can copy and paste this part. So you are in web and you can node package manager, npm means, so you can put it together, also fine. Now you started building. So that's it, we are done. Now you can see the fun. Whatever you seen in this app, you can see here M1, M2, M3, sorry, mail 1, mail 2, F1, F2. The same thing here, you can find it. Where is this? 1 second, no problem. It is running on here, 301, because the port for you maybe it will run on 3000. Okay, right. Now I can select it F2. This is the default. So now if you want, you can go and download this file, and it got downloaded. And let's see now if you want to do it bigger information. So let's try one more thing. What I will do now, write a big dialog from. I very often use this. So now here is setting. So let's take it to the just what I want to show you. I want to show a bigger content. Yes, there are multiple characters here. Don't look at that. And I am pasting everything here. And now you can see the how quick it can generate. That's it. You just need to play.
Aaron, the wind howls tonight like a starving wolf. Fitting considering betrayal prowls these halls. Rayla, betrayal only prowls where weakness sleeps. If you feel hunted, brother, perhaps look inward.
Now, if you want to, basically, if you want to increase it, let's test it something around 20. It takes a while, but if you have static requirement, not real time, I mean, I would suggest go for 10 to 20 somewhere.
Aaron, the wind howls tonight like a starving wolf. Fitting considering betrayal prowls these.
So go and check it out yourself and have a fun. And another last one, if you want to use it, for instance, if you don't want to do this, you want to do actually consumer grade kind of applications. Also, this guy is providing, where is this? Wait. So these guys providing APIs. You can go and check here. This is a Supertone A. If they are providing, you can go here, business contact, product APIs. So this is their APIs. You can see them. There are multiple things, and also they can give you free API. You can get it like almost 3000 credits, which is absolutely free. You can go and use it this if you want to play around the API, or if you want to do it something around hosting, and if you want to do it something more around, you can go ahead. It's $2 per month. I mean, technically $3. Check it out. These are the stuff, but the only thing is they're not providing the LLM support, where that's where 11 Labs shine more. That's about this one, guys. Thanks. See you next week. Bye.